Well, hello, and welcome to another shrink-wrapped book review on my channel, JC Lee MD. I'm your host, Jonathan Jaha Lee, a quadruple board certified child and adolescent psychiatrist and Pisces, living and working in Los Angeles, but originally hailing from Toronto, Ontario, and the faraway land of Canada. Well, today's shrink-wrapped book review comes from an old classic by Locke and LeGrange, the treatment manual for anorexia nervosa. Wow, this is really quite dry in terms of a title, but it is quite indicative of what is actually inside this treatment manual. For those of you who've not encountered psychology or psychotherapy for anorexia nervosa, Locke and LeGrange basically repackaged the Maudsley approach into family-based treatment, which is, the number one evidence-based approach for young people under 18 with anorexia nervosa, which affects 1% of the population, but is likely growing, and particularly amongst BIPOC youth and also young men. And so this is a must-read for anybody who is in child psychiatry, on a eating disorders unit for their clinical rotations. And it lays out a lot of the script and the verbiage that skilled FBT practitioners would use in their interventions with people. They talk about the family meals, sitting down with the family to observe the dynamics, and sort of encourage parents to start to take control of that eating process. Having been on several eating disorders units before, I would generally say that most places that I've been at do not institute this evidence-based approach. There seems to be a wide dichotomy of, well, this is what's in vogue here and this is how we do it here. But technically speaking, FBT or family-based treatment is arguably the most evidence-based and most modern approach to anorexia nervosa, specifically in young people. So if you are at all a therapist in training, a child and adolescent fellow who's interested in doing a subspecialty or fellowship in eating disorders specifically, or just want a good read and want to understand what goes through therapists' minds as they sit down with you for your family meal, this is a great book to pick up and to consume. Pun intended. So until next time, happy reading and love yourself.